Here we have a Jet 8" by 13" horizontal bandsaw. It's 1.5 horsepower, 115 volt. It appears to be unused. It's in very good condition. I'm going to show you that it does operate. It operates very well. There's a 4-speed belt drive. We got it in the middle speed right now, and the unit fired up. This has a hydraulic down feed here, and as the machine goes down, it does metal cut. The machine shuts off automatically. There's a little bit of shipping distress. One of the feet here is a little bent. This bottom plate right here is a little bent, and this foot right here is probably the worst of them all, but you can probably bend them back. Like I said, it's in very nice condition otherwise.